Welcome. This is the demo video for How Important. And How Important is a web app that gives you information about a particular topic in a programming language. So, for example, you have arrays in JavaScript. It gives you information about arrays and how they are used in JavaScript. So that's the basic overview of the entire web app. So for the stack, I used NextJS and CSS on front end, and back end I use Node.js and ExpressJS with the help of OpenAI for getting the information. Okay, so how it works is you pick a topic. So the topic has to be something related to that programming language. So you can pick strings and then select a programming language like JavaScript or Python, and then you search, and then it gives you information based on selected topic and programming language. Okay, so this is how it will look when you get the information back about the topic. So I searched for arrays in JavaScript, and so first of all, you have this first section gives you the usage, that is how devs are using arrays in JavaScript and how high it is, and you can see it's 90%, which means it's very high. It's very important. So status is in use, and then you also get the documentation for the topic. You have the overview section, which is just a short description of the topic. You can see I'm not going to read it, but just short description. You also get code example. This just gives you it's just how the topic will be when you are using it in code. So just a small example of a small usage of the topic you can see. So we also have helpful resources. So in case you are looking for YouTube tutorials about arrays in JavaScript, you can find some of them here. You can also find some helpful articles here. And after that, we also have related topics, that is topics that are related to arrays in JavaScript. So you have loops, functions, and objects. And then the last section, you have a quiz. So this is just a simple quiz about arrays in JavaScript. So this is version 1 of the product, and it's something I plan on working on as time goes on. There are still some, I would say, small issues that I need to fix. So one of them, or the main one, is the loading time, because it takes a long time for it to load. I'm still trying to understand why. I'm still trying to find how I can fix it. But assuming you type something like strings in JavaScript now. I think I've searched. Okay, let's try loops in JavaScript, and then we search. You see that it takes about 30 seconds to load, and that is a very big issue because nobody has 30 seconds of time to waste. So that is something that I have to fix. Yeah, let's just wait for it to load and see. Yeah, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 20 to 30 seconds to load before it finishes. So that is the one of the main issues that I plan on fixing later on. Second issue is, for example, this article section. Well, OpenAI API is not the best. It's not the best AI when it comes to giving links because they are not always 100% accurate. The article provider or the article website like FreeCodeCamp, they could have deleted the article or changed their URL structure so it takes you to a 404 page. So that is another issue that I plan on fixing in the end. But the main one is the time that it takes to load. So if you feel like, or if you know you can help me with that, the code is available on GitHub. You can always make a pull request, and if you can fix it, that would be very helpful. So that is pretty much it for how important. So yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is small fix I did to the loading time to at least ease the pain is hashing. So when you search for a topic and you get back a response and you search for that same topic again, it doesn't take as long. It takes like 2 seconds to load everything up. So yeah, I did that to ease the pain of. So you'd have to wait for the 30 seconds to pass before you get your information if you are looking for the same topic again.